Students, last video we have discussed about the important climate conditions of equatorial region, and we discussed some of the important features of equatorial zone. So in this class we are discussing what are the natural vegetations of equatorial region. So which types of trees we can see, and some of the features also we can find out in this lake of forest. So what was the features we can find out? So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first of all, we want to know the rainfall region or equatorial region is covered by, in this region is covered by fully dense forest. Dense means thick forest. Easily we cannot enter in that particular forest. That much of thick forest, odd forest we can see in evergreen region. That only they say in this area, equatorial region is covered by dense forest. Easily we cannot enter in that particular forest. That much of dense or thick forest. And not only this one, next one here they saying that one, this forest is dense because of heavy rain. Why this forest become this much of thick forest? Or why we are calling as a dense forest? Because of throughout year in this region receiving rainfall. That also not a medium, heavy rainfall. So this is one of the important features. So we can see in this area is very dense. And not only this one, we can see in this area, in this forest, also calling rainforest. Because of throughout year in that region, once again I want to say this only definition, throughout year in this region receiving rainfall. That also cyclic manner. Morning to afternoon till our temperature, evening rainfall. Is like a wheel like of works or process we can see in equatorial zone. Means throughout year in this area is dense forest, because of in this area is receiving heavy rainfall. So on this based here, next one features also they are saying that one. So because of the rainfall and the temperature, because of the rainfall and the temperature in this forest is heaven for animals and trees. Trees also they can grow sufficiently. Animals also then can live fearless. Because of in that animals or the forest, both also what they need, all the physical contents they are getting in naturally in that particular place. Means what was the needs, food they need for animals, they are also getting in forest. And trees, what they need to grow, one is water, second one is sunlight. Both is basic need to create a food for trees. You already studied in lower session. So same way, this area is heaven for trees and animals. So that's why we can see this area is located plenty of wealth, forest wealth. What we are seeing animals and forest trees, we cannot see in any other forest region. Only we can see this much of numbers, countless of animals or trees, different types of variety plants and trees we can see in in equatorial region. And next one here they given, in this trees always covered by leaves. Throughout year in this area forest trees throughout year covered by leaves. Why? Once again same reason, because of sunlight. Second one, throughout year rainfall. So these are the important reason. So in this area forest throughout year we can see the leaves. And next one, based on this like of features based on these like features, in this in this equatorial forest fir, we are given another name, that is evergreen forest. Based on the rainforest, because of the leaves should not shed in throughout the year, so we can see leaves throughout year in that particular area, that particular area's trees, forest area's trees. So that's why here they given another name for rainforest, that is evergreen forest. So that's why we are calling this is one of the special features in our earth. And next one we can see, so these like of trees we can see, that's why means the leaves is throughout the year is green, so that's why we are given name as a evergreen forest. So on this way we can see some of the special trees in this area. So here they given one by one. First one is mahogany, ebony, next one cinchona, next one rubber, rosewood and coconut palms. These are the important trees sufficiently growing in this region, in equatorial region. Important trees: mahogany, ebony, chinchon, rubber, rosewood and coconut. These are the important trees we can find out are commonly growing trees in evergreen forest or rainforest or equatorial region. 3 also same. And next, and in this forest, growth of the forest, we can see some of the layers. Some of the layers. So on this way here they given some of the layers based on the structure, based on the height of the trees. So on this way we divided as a different types of layers in this forest. First one here they given emergent. Emergent means this is permanent place. Trees are growing permanently in this region. And second one, canopy. Canopy means here they given this forest, we can see the structure of the forest is like a ornament for that particular area. Ornament means you already know it, jewelers. So that like shape, or we can see this is a ornament like for forest for that particular evergreen forest. That one is they are saying that one canopy. Next one here they given understory. We can see in this region, we want to see in understory, we can see in this area throughout here is colors, leaves colors is green, and not only this one, forest is very thick and dense. And last one here they given forest floor. We can see last part of in this layer of the evergreen forest are here they given equatorial forest. In this area we can see forest floor. Some of the place is covered by fully flat. Floors also we can see this is last layer of evergreen forest. So these like a forest areas we can find out in evergreen forest. And next one here they given each layer also have special animals and trees. When you are comparing each by each layers, we could not find out same animals, same trees in that particular layers. No, each layer also have some of the special features. Some animals and some trees only coming in that particular area. Some trees or animals is growing in understory. Some animals and trees is growing in forest floor because of the structures and physical conditions. So in this way we divided, there are different types of layers in forest. And next one we want to see what was the special features generally we can find out. Already we discussed based on the layers, our forest means evergreen forest we divided as a 4 layers, but commonly in this forest we can see some of the special features. These like features throughout layers we can see same feature. So first one here they given the emerged layers as extra tall trees which grow above the rest of the jungle. If you are comparing any other layers, any other 3 remaining layers, if you are comparing highest height of trees, which place in is growing, here they given emergent layer. In this place trees is going more and more extra large height. So this is first point. And second one, here they given the tall trees in rainforest is densely packed. That only they say in this tall trees in rainforest area, this is one of the special features. They saying that one is covered like a packed dense forest. This is like one of the pocket like of stretches they are saying. In that pocket we cannot enter that much of dense packed area. And next one, here they say a green blanket called canopy. And next one they are saying that one which area is covered by green, so that's why they called as a canopy. And canopy blocks sunlight from reaching the forest floor. And not only this one, leaves, how much of leaves growing in that one particular area in canopy means, here they say in that area sunlight cannot reach the forest floor, means surface of land in equatorial region. That much of leaves is growing in canopy region. One of the special feature in evergreen forest. And next, here they given in this forest we can see creepers, climbers and shrubs can grow, or we can see these like of trees in forest layer. In one of the important feature, that is in understory, in that layer we can see small trees. And last one, there is a very thin layer of fruiting leaves the forest floors which makes the soil fertility. Means in this soil is very fertile soil in the area. Because of here they given, because of the area is fully covered by thin forest or thick forest, we are saying that only dense forest. And when that one leaves is shut down, that one converting as that one particular land as a fertility. So these are the important points about vegetations of evergreen forest. Next class we can discuss next topic. Okay, thank you.